What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm teach you guys how you can get a live wallpaper just like this for free, completely free. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to Microsoft Store, right? Then once you go over here, you have to wait a few minutes. You have to go to the search button. You have to search up lively wallpaper, right? So it's the first one right here. Then once you get this, what you have to do is click on download. Just say download for y'all, but for me, since I already have it downloaded, all I have to do is just open it, right? So let's say I just open it right here, boom. Then once I open it, I have a lot of options right here, right? But me personally, what I want to do is I want to get like a Naruto one, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Google Chrome right here, right? So once I open this, I want to go on this website right here. This is literally the best website. They literally have no viruses, no ads or anything. You know what I mean? So this is literally the best website for a wallpaper. For me personally, this is what I like. So you have a lot of options right here, like cars, oceans, all that. You know what I mean? But let's say for me, I like anime, right? Or Naruto. Like that's like my favorite anime, right? So let's say I search up Naruto, right? Uzumaki Naruto. So now from here you could choose one, right? So let's look through it real quick. So there's one right here. Okay, pretty valid, pretty valid. Then there's one right here. I like this one, I like this one. And I have a lot of options, you see this? So this one right here, a lot of options, guys. So right now, me personally, I like this one right here, but I think this one is still better though, I ain't gonna lie. Like this is definitely better. So I'm gonna just save this. Boom. Now you just have to wait a few minutes till it downloads, right? And once it downloads, what you have to do is go back over here to live wallpaper. You have to click on this plus sign right here. You see this? So just click on plus. Once you do that, what you have to do, you can also put a YouTube video and everything. But me personally, what I'm gonna do is click on choose file and just click on the Naruto one. This should be the latest one right here. Just click on that. You just wait a few minutes. You can put a title, whatever you want. But me, I'm gonna just click on OK. Once I do that, it's gonna take a few minutes. Just let it go, let it go, let it go. And boom. That's how you get a custom lively wallpaper for free. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe to Instructify and leave me a comment down below if you got any help. Thank you for watching.